Yeah.
I think this is good.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Should we start it?
The engine's really big.
Yeah. Okay. Looks like it's
Big air filter there.
Should be ready to go.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, we got this.
So where are we going with this?
Hey, I got some. It might not be that hard to do. You think you can help me out with it?
Yeah, what is it? Oh.
Yeah. This tangle. Do you think we could?
I'm good with knots.
Yeah. You good with knots?
Yeah.
I'm at this end.
Yeah.
You
I'll
just-
take this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pull.
And if we just, yeah, you pull a little back.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah. Pretty much.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe, yeah. It could be. Yeah, totally. Right, and then some.
Okay, how does that one go? It's like we sing it sometimes like
So yeah, I did.
Like
yeah,
usually at closing, or?
sometimes at closing, but sometimes at Lev.
Yeah, bump.
Yeah, but I think someone taught Let My People Sing this year. Do you remember that one?
Do you remember
Oh.
like the beginning, or?
You know?
With the, yeah, I remember
Yeah.
they were
Okay.
doing the hands.
It was Rachel's favorite.
Okay.
Rachel loved that.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Just says Adamah.
Well, it's definitely ours. I mean, we made it. Doesn't smell too bad. What do you think?
I smell notes of fridge.
I should just put it back.
I mean, I think it makes me think of 2018, I guess.
Yeah.
I'll just add. I don't have a Sharpie. Or...
Yeah.